In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend photos in Canva. If you want to create a soft overlay effect, combine two images into one design, or just make your visuals look more polished, Canva makes this process very simple. We'll be using the transparency tool to blend one photo into another, and the result can be subtle or dramatic depending on how much you adjust it. To get started, go to Canva and open the homepage. Once you're there, click on Create to begin a new design. You can choose the size that works best for your project, whether that's a social media post, presentation slide, or any custom canvas. The exact dimensions are not the most important part here, since the main goal is learning the blending technique. Next, add two photos to your design. You can upload your own images or use photos already available inside Canva. Try to choose images that work well together visually, since blending tends to look best when the colors, lighting, or subject matter feel somewhat connected. This will help the final result look intentional rather than messy. Once both photos are in your project, place one photo on top of the other. You'll want to resize and position them so they line up the way you want. Usually, the bottom image acts as the base, while the top image is the one that creates the blend effect. Take a moment here to adjust the layout, because the placement will affect how natural the blend looks in the final design. After that, click on the top photo so it's selected, then find the transparency option. This is the tool that controls how visible or see-through the image appears. When the transparency is trimmed, the image underneath starts to show through, which creates the blended look. Now adjust the transparency until you get the effect you want. A small adjustment can create a gentle layered look, while a stronger adjustment can produce a more obvious double exposure style effect. There's no single perfect setting, so feel free to move the slider gradually and watch how the two images interact. The best choice depends on your photos and the style you're going for. As a helpful tip, blended photos often look better when you keep checking the composition as you adjust. If needed, slightly reposition the top image while testing the transparency so the most important parts of both photos remain visible. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can blend photos in Canva and create a more creative, eye-catching design.